Hi friends, in today's video we are going to be seeing on how to reset Windows 10 or 11 passwords. They can use the same steps. For this we are using in a local account. But for if it's linked to a Microsoft account, we can just easily reset there. There's pretty much no need for instruction. So let's get started.
So friends, now we have switched over to an external camera. Let's say that we forgot this password. So here for this we will be holding down the left shift key over here, and then we can see that there are accessibility options over here, and there are reset password. This is for the Microsoft account though, this when we have to answer security questions over here. If we don't want to do that, we can just press down the left shift key, click power down, and click restart over here. We'll have to keep on holding the shift key, and until it restarts we have to wait. So over here we have to, these options will show. We have to click troubleshoot. Then there are two options. Since mine is an Asus PC, it will show this. Otherwise it will just show reset this PC and advanced options. We have to click advanced options, and there are a few options over here. We have to click command prompt. Here we have got a command prompt over here. Right here we will check if we got the directory. Here I'll just check if C is the one with the Windows installation. I'll check, and now we have gotten into C, and we'll go to dir. We'll type in dir. So we'll check. Okay, it has the Windows installation over here, right here. So now we will go cd Windows, and we will click enter. We have went there, and now we can do another directory check. It will show everything that's in Windows folder. Here we'll have to go, we'll find the spelling of, so we'll have to go to system32, this one over here. So we'll go down and type cd system 32. We'll click enter, and we have now went. Now we will type in ren utilman.exe space utilman1.exe. So now we type in ren, oops, I typed it twice, okay, cmd.exe utilman and 1 utilman.exe utilman.exe. We click enter. So we have done that, and now we can just close command prompt, and we will continue. So now we have logged in over here. This is the account. We will click accessibility over here, and because we have changed it, it will open up this, and we will now click control user passwords 2, and then this window will open up. We have to click which one we want to reset. We'll select that, and over here below we can see reset password. We'll click there. We can leave it blank for the new password to be blank, or we can just type something in. I'll leave it blank right now. So right now, as we have seen, we can log in. We have rebooted it. This is my first time logging into this, that's why. To now reverse the changes to what we have done in this area, so we'll again go back to the command prompt previous area. By that we'll go shift and then restart. Again, we'll go to troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt, and then as before, we will go to C. Then we'll go to dir and we'll type in cd windows. Then again, now we'll type in, we already know that system32 is there, so we'll just type in cd system 32 and we have done this. So now we'll type in a run utilman.exe space cmd.exe. We'll enter that. Then next last one is run utilman1.exe space utilman.exe. Right there, we have done this. We can close, we can continue, and it will be done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Since there is no password, it just automatically signed in. So the thing we did here, it has gone back to normal.
Friends, my name is Alvin. This is AM Learning Station, and it's me signing out.